Is EPCOT the best theme park? I kind of think it is. This is my day at EPCOT. Test track will be closing June 17th. Better get all your rides in now because once it's closed, it'll be closed for our entire year. I think I'm gonna try this tamales. This tamale's okay, but I wish it had more, like, any kind of spice to it. It doesn't have any spice at all. Not very good. I think this is my favorite pavilion. It's Grand Fiesta time. Soaring or living with the land? No. There's supposed to be something different, but I don't see it. Okay, so I got the Cuban sandwich from the Florida Fresh booth, and here it is. Now, in my last video, I tried a lot of Cuban sandwiches already, so that was just last week. But I'll give this a try. For some reason, I'm still hungry for a Cuban sandwich. So you got the pork, you got your ham, and you got your cheese. It tastes all right. It's not too bad. Only problem is small for the price, like $6.50 for such a small sandwich. It tastes good. It's okay. Today I'm finally going to check out Turtle Talk with Crush for the first time ever.
Hello! Let's do it, dudes!
It was a lot better than I expected. I'm surprised.
Over there on the right. Nicely done, buddy.
So cool, the dolphins identifying the picture and then going to find the matching picture. That's crazy. It's pretty awesome. Found my perfect chill spot. Frozen Ever After. This is sometimes one of the longest and most boring lines, but it's a pretty fantastic ride. Got my Stitch magnet. Thanks everybody for watching. Please like and subscribe. And have a great day.